how to buy ZAYA token. So this token came under the symbol of ZAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a 52.5 thousand followers. Now if you scroll down, you will see their post that this token it's listed on MEXC, as you can see. Now if you don't have an account on it if you don't have an account on the MEXC, you can go below in the description and find the referral codes and register or create an account on it. You will get a benefits from that if you want to, of course. Now after you create an account on MEXC, what you need to do is just go to your account, log into your account on MEXC. Now go back to this post and copy this name ZAI and now paste it here in the search, and you will see the ZAI to USDT. Click on it, this pair. Now in the buy section, you will see the limit and the market. In the limit, type here how much you want to buy. Of course, I don't have any fund, I can't see how much, because but for you, just type how much you want to buy and you will be able to see how much you receive of USDT. And after that, click on buy and you will buy this token. In the market, just drag this to see how much a percentage of your USDT that you have in your account to be able to buy this token. Now after that, click on buy ZAI to be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy ZAI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.